What's the deal? What's up, everybody? Why am I tired? I was having internet issues. Hopped on, I turned everything on and trying to start the stream, but it's not starting. So I restarted my computer. It wasn't starting, and my internet wasn't up. So grabbed the phone, was about to dial up FBL, and all of a sudden it started working. Weird. Oh man, I passed out with my kids. Done in bed, passed out. Woke up. Up, stream time. So, you know what? Let's turn this down. Let's mark this up real quick. 4-hour close bullish after flipping here. Sort of a zucchini style. Okay, 1 hour's holding resistance for now. So 30. If we can get them to close below here. So we want a closure. Below 1912.56 and or we want a bearish 1 hour closure now. This would be like onion here, right? The 30 just held. If the 1 hour can hold now. Look for more sells below here. Excuse me. I think we'll look for sells below here once we close here on the hourly in about 15 minutes. We close bearish on the hourly. We can start looking for sells below 1915.341 after a top wick, and maybe off the rip below here, below 1912. I hate scrolling back so far. spectral. Yeah, let's get paid. Let's get some closures. I'm down to get paid. I'm all for paid. Paid and Z's. Yeah, I was ready to go. I was ready to get knocked. Oh, spectral past phase 1. Yeah, good shit. Another week, phase 2, and you're good to go. It's gonna be an interesting Friday morning. These news. Nice, we hit 13K subs today. It's not bad either. getting a bearish hourly closure here, but that's not enough. It's not enough for it to just close bear. Just close bear below here. We don't close below 1915.649. Technically, it's still down here. And end up flipping. So we want to close it below this area. That would be in about 6 minutes here. And down here. Might get it. We might get it. We're gonna look for this to be the daily top wick. The hourly should close below 1915.594. Next hourly top wick. And we'll have sell stops on the rebreak of the lows or on the close of the 5 minute. We'll see how it prints here. You guys are tired as well, huh? Sense it. Sometimes the lack of noise speaks volumes. Yeah, I definitely like the Sunday Unfiltered better. It's earlier, people are more awake. I'm more awake. Hold on, we got 2 minutes. trying to absorb. This is good. The hourly's closing below this area. And the 5 just closed below, I believe. Oh. Alright, let's get a top wick and we'll have a sell stop. And the rebreak of the lows here. What's the difference here? Pips. Pips. 20. Alright, I'm gonna have a sell stop here again. Well, hold on, let me see. Alright, now I'm gonna have a sell stop. 1914.704. Rebreak of the current hourly low. You know what? I'll actually, like I was thinking earlier, I'll probably move it right here, just 2 pips lower to account for this. It's about a pip and a half. Right. Sell stop right here. Sell stop at 1914.42 roughly. So high here. Way off. And if we break the previous hourly high, we'll delete and we will look for buys above 1919.12. Our stop would be here, it will be roughly 35 pips at 1918.287 above our highs, previous hourly high. Yeah. But if it breaks this previous hourly high before activating, we're going to delete and we'll look for buys above 1919.12. I've closed bullish here, but we really have this off the hourly. It's all right. Once we activate here, we got roughly about 13 pips of an advantage with our advantage point, right? Right here, yeah, around 1913 flat. Get some rest, G. I feel that. Truly feel that. Tired. Know what I'm missing? I'm missing a drink. So we come down here. I mean, look at this previously. Yeah. Come up, get a top wick, build the range down. Anything here made a top wick, now let's build the range down. Give me a second. Alright, so this is our support on the 5, but we did respect these areas. Still close below. Make a top wick, start breaking the lows. They're still valid on the higher time frame. Well, if this 4-hour flips bullish here. Yeah, the 4-hour flip. Bullish 1-hour drawing. If we break the previous 1-hour high, we'll look for closures above 1919.12. Take us up. Now you'd have a range 2 breakout above here, right? On the higher time frame. I'm gonna make the stream public later. People are gonna be looking at it like, hell, are they on mute? No one's saying shit. Is this pre-recorded? Yes. For everyone watching this later, for everyone not at Wix Stable, it's pre-recorded. I'm down here. Let's see. It's a 23-minute site. Grab liquidity. Flipping bear. Respecting resistance. That's why it's coded. We're in this range. In a half hour, we'll call it. Probably won't be. I mean, we should be calling it in a half hour anyway. Ideally, we break within this hour. If not, I'll sign off, but you guys don't know what to do. Levels are valid. If not, I mean, New York will be 3 hours from now. I think we should come down before New York in the next couple of hourly candles, but we'll see what happens. Current 4 hour could still flip bullish, drive up here. Coming down. Hourly should flip, right? It's just an extra 2 pips here. Shouldn't really make a huge difference, right? But overall, anywhere below the hourly here is fine. Should be fine. The idea here is to mirror this. Remember we said during Asian session, it's good that we clear out ranges, right? Because when we come back through them, we should just drive. Look, it cleared this out. It drove straight through up. Technically, it should just drive straight through here once we're activated. Not in yet. Okay. Okay. A bit of slippage here, but got activated, chat. Chat, fellas, guys. Oh, it's stretched. It's like 0.6 slippage. The more valid high. $48 for now, but if we break, we shouldn't break this high actually, 37, because if we break this high, we're breaking structure, so it should be 37 pips here. And at around 13, 14 pips, I'll go break even. Oh, I don't know. Sorry, we never set a TP. It's 1904, basically. This trade is mostly based off the 1 hour, so we can stick to the 1 hour here. We had the 5 close below, and we had this 1 hour hold resistance, make a top wick, now flip, re-break its own low. Should fill the range down. Right, it's the 1 hour range. Right. It's here. And all you needed for the 1 hour close was a closure below this area, below 1915.761. And now it's just a waiting game. Now we wait. Stop loss here is 1918.226. It's on the screen, 1904. See the little green line on the right of the screen? Right here, 1904. A 5-minute celery. When we talk about popping, like yes, clean traffic to the left here, it gives you, it starts vibrating, then it should pop down here to clean out the range. Typically with volume, that's what it will do. I don't know how much volume we have, but it's pre-London. We should see some volume driving down. The idea is to predict the high volume candle, right? With high degree of probability. You don't really want to trickle down or print sideways. You want to just drive. So beat. Like I said, around 1913.1.2, you could start going break even. That's your advantage point. I mean, yeah, I think 1913 flat. Probably even secure over there. You're going to be roughly 15 in profit, right? At 1913. Yeah, I might even at 1913. I might, once we get there, or 1912.5. Oh, yeah, 1912.5. I'll bring my stops to 10 pips in profit. Thing is, we're getting an hourly closure in 11 minutes, and the next hourly might come up and create a top wick. Not even reverse. We don't like. There's a level right here that we're at that we need to close below. All right. I'm gonna go break even here because if this reverses, it's gonna drive. It can drive up here. Oh, what the hell was that? Yeah, it hit 13 pips for me, and yo, I'm break even, chat. It just pulled up really quickly for a second. I got surprised. I'm break even here. If it comes back up, it takes us out. But I saw about 12 pips. I didn't secure anything. It might take us out here, but if we survive this 5 pullback, it should be good. Mm, yeah, I'm break even. The reason I'm break even is the last 5 of this hourly. I'm expecting a pullback, and if it drives, it should just drive here. It shouldn't come back and break our entry. If it does, oh well, that's the session. Or that's the trade. You know what? Yeah, the hourly. I saw 12, and at 12, I thought we were going to get just a big push down. But no. What are we respecting here? Yeah, it might take us out here. It's got to pull back. The next hourly's got to pull back as well. Um, I didn't secure anything. But, almost. I'm less than like 1 pip away. Oh, there we go. It took me out. So I got to break even on that trade. I got to update. right? We had our advantage point. Let me get this out of here. We had our advantage point, right, on the hourly, right here. And that's where it rejected. This area. It hit it, and once it tapped it, it just jumped straight up. It can fill it, it can break it. We still have 6 minutes in this hourly, but why would this 15 come back up, flip bullish? So I'd rather, for me, it should have drove straight through here. So I got to break even on this trade because it could come up now and start flipping bullish after rejecting off of here. Otherwise, I was expecting no rejection, drive straight through and retest the lows. But if we're going to reject here, we might end up creating range 2 and then coming up for a breakout with the previous 4 hour not being broken yet. And still, if we flip, we can flip bullish. It's no problem. Wouldn't take a lot. Also, last 5 of this hourly coming up. So if we're expecting a pullback, why sit through it? It took me out by less than a pip. By spread, actually, it took me out. But is it worth? Like, you can't take that probability of us continuing down after touching here. Look at this. Look what it does. Every time it taps here, fills the range up, just rejects right away. Right? Over here, it broke a little and then rejected. So, if we're seeing this, it might come back up, fill the range. Anyone secure anything? I saw 12 on my counter. It's the max. And then it just pulled back right away to like 4. I couldn't even. I wouldn't have secured anything. Honestly, I was planning on it to run, so I was just gonna put stops at break even. Once it got to like 20, 30 pips, I was gonna put stops at 10 pips in profit and let it run. Close around 10 pips, secured buck 70. Yeah, nice. Nice. 1915.76 be off the rip. No. There's no buys above 1915.76. That was a sell level. If you want to buy, it's a different level now. Yeah, there's no buys until 1919.12. Maybe even 1923.5. Those are the next buys. Got 3 pips. Sorry, Tony. It's the nature of the market. Oh. Yeah, I lost half a pipette. No problem. That's funny. Well, we tried. There's a lot of potential here based on the higher time frames, right? The hourly is going to close here, closing bearish. Let's see if it closes respecting this level, because then it might pull back up. But overall, it calls Jerome. JP, yeah, if it closes below here, it's going to retest the lows. Look at that. Probably going to fill the range down by the hourly close without us. You're cool. But I'm done here for the night. I'm about to get knocked. I'll get some Z's and see you guys at 7 a.m. in about 4 hours from now. Tired. Yeah, it held the support. I think you're going to get a bottom wick and a drive up, but I think we would have been good securing over here. Not secure. Would have had another chance. You send Zoom link at 7 a.m. We still no. Tomorrow's I don't send the Zoom. Tomorrow's is Don's stream. That's on Don Bo's channel. So at 7 a.m. on Don's channel, I'll be on there. And every weekday, Monday through Thursday. Actually, for you, since you're at Wick's table, every weekday plus Sunday. So Sunday through Thursday, 8 p.m. Eastern, I drop a Zoom link. All right, Tony? So 5 days a week, Sunday through Thursday. Yeah, I see it might do a little fuckery that it did before and pull up here. Anyway, I'm going to call it a stream. Thank you guys for coming through. Got one break even. Hold on, let me update it. Break even. Oh, Spectral, sorry. When we draw buy above or sell below, but when we take after rejected the buy level. Not necessarily. It can create a new buy level. I mean, we'll go over it more trade. I can't even think straight right now, Spectral. My bad. Love you, dog. We talk later. Anyway, let's call it a session, gang, and I will see you in the morning. Have a good night, everybody.